When was the last time you felt a pang of worry because you forgot a familiar name or misplaced your car keys at home? Many people believe that after 60, memory decline is an inevitable part of aging. But science tells us a much more hopeful and exciting story. Your brain is not a machine that simply wears out over time. It possesses an incredible, lifelong ability known as neuroplasticity to repair and renew itself. This means your brain can regenerate and grow new connections regardless of your age, provided it receives the specific raw materials it needs to thrive daily. Today, we are going to break the myths of aging and learn how to build a solid cognitive reserve that will last you for decades. By understanding the 5 nutritional secrets we are about to discuss, you can take control of your brain's biological clock and stay sharp forever. We will explore how specific foods act as repair crews for your mind, fixing the wear and tear that happens naturally over many years of life. Get ready to transform your plate into a powerful pharmacy for your mind. Let us begin with the first secret to a younger, faster brain. Your journey to cognitive resilience starts now. Remember, it is never too late to start nourishing the most important organ in your entire body today. Secret number 1 is flavonoids, which act as the essential glue for repairing your synapses. Think of your synapses as high-speed information highways in your head. Over time, these highways can develop potholes, slowing down your thoughts and making it harder to recall names or facts when you need them most. Flavonoids found in dark berries act like a professional road repair crew, quickly moving in to mend the connections and restore the flow of information. These powerful compounds do not just protect your cells, they actively stimulate the birth of new neurons in the hippocampus, the brain's memory center. Pure cacao is another incredible source. It increases blood flow to the brain, providing an immediate boost in concentration and mental clarity for complex tasks. Do not just eat any fruit, prioritize the darkest ones. The deeper the color, the higher the concentration of these life-saving flavonoid repair molecules. Try adding a handful of frozen wild blueberries to your morning routine. It is a simple habit that yields massive dividends for your long-term memory. Consistency is key. By eating these daily, you are providing a constant stream of repair materials to keep your neural highways smooth and fast. Every bite of these antioxidant-rich foods is an investment in your future self, ensuring that your mind remains as sharp as it was decades ago. Diversity in your fruit selection helps ensure you get a wide spectrum of different flavonoid types, each offering unique protective benefits for various brain regions. When you shop, look for organic options when possible to avoid pesticides that can interfere with the very brain health you are trying to improve. Nature has designed these molecules specifically to penetrate deep into the brain tissue, providing protection where other nutrients simply cannot reach or even enter. Imagine being able to recall names, dates, and cherished memories with ease. This is the power of nourishing your synapses with the right biological glue. Make it a goal to include at least 1 serving of dark berries or high-quality cacao in your diet every single day, starting from tomorrow. This small change can lead to profound results in how your brain functions, allowing you to stay connected to the world around you with clarity. The second secret involves omega-3 fatty acids and the insulation of your brain's wiring. Did you know your brain is 60% fat by weight? Omega-3 is the primary building material for the myelin sheath. This is like the rubber insulation on an electric wire that prevents signal leaks. Choosing the right source is critical. Wild-caught salmon is far superior because its fat profile is naturally balanced to reduce inflammation in your brain cells. Farmed fish often contain high levels of omega-6, which can actually trigger inflammation if not balanced, potentially harming your delicate neural tissues over time. When your myelin is thick and healthy, your thoughts move faster, your reflexes stay sharp, and your brain processes information with much less overall effort. If you don't enjoy fish, consider high-quality algae oil or walnuts. These plant-based sources also contribute to the maintenance of your brain's vital fatty structures. Look for high levels of DHA specifically, as this is the most abundant omega-3 fatty acid in the brain and the key to cognitive longevity. Think of omega-3 as a soothing balm for your brain. It calms the fires of neuro-inflammation that are often the root cause of memory fog. Protecting your myelin means protecting your ability to learn new things, even in your 80s. It keeps the electrical circuitry of your mind firing perfectly. Walnuts are a fantastic snack for brain health. They provide alpha-linolenic acid, which the body can partially convert into the essential brain-building fats you need. Healthy fats are not your enemy. In fact, they are the very foundation upon which a resilient and high-performing mind is built and maintained daily. By prioritizing these fats, you ensure that the internal communication within your brain remains seamless, preventing the short circuits that lead to confusion and forgetfulness. Feed your brain the fat it craves. You will notice a difference in your mental stamina and your ability to stay focused throughout the day.
Secret number 3 is choline. For years, eggs were unfairly blamed for heart issues, but we are here to finally clear their name for good.
That golden yolk is a nutritional powerhouse, specifically rich in choline. Choline is the essential precursor to acetylcholine, the master molecule of your memory. Acetylcholine is the primary chemical messenger your brain uses for short-term memory. Without it, your brain simply cannot store new information or retrieve facts quickly. Have you ever walked into a room and forgotten why you were there? This threshold amnesia is often a sign of low acetylcholine levels in the brain. Don't throw away the liquid gold in the yolk. Most of the choline and other brain-essential vitamins like B12 are concentrated right there in the center. Recent research shows that individuals with higher choline intake perform significantly better on memory tests and are less likely to experience age-related cognitive decline. Choline also helps maintain the structural integrity of your cell membranes. It is both a messenger and a building block for every single cell you have. 2 eggs a day can provide a large portion of your daily choline requirement. It is perhaps the most cost-effective brain supplement available on the planet. Whenever possible, choose eggs from pasture-raised hens. They typically contain even higher levels of omega-3s and vitamins than standard commercially produced eggs you find. Feeding your brain choline is like upgrading the RAM in a computer. Everything becomes faster, smoother, and much more reliable when you process new information. You will find that your senior moments become less frequent as you replenish your stores of this vital neurotransmitter through simple, delicious, whole foods daily. It is time to stop fearing the egg and start embracing it as one of the best tools for maintaining a sharp, vibrant, and youthful mind. Your memory is your most precious asset. Give it the choline it needs to stay strong, sharp, and resilient for all the years ahead. Secret number 4 takes us to the world of polyphenols and the powerful connection between your gut and your brain, known as the gut-brain axis. Your gut is often called your second brain. Polyphenols found in green tea and nuts act as a fertilizer for the healthy bacteria living in your microbiome. When your gut bacteria are well fed with polyphenols, they produce chemicals that travel to the brain to reduce inflammation and promote a calm, focused state. Be careful not to use boiling water, as extreme heat can destroy some of the most beneficial compounds. Let the water cool slightly before pouring your tea. Nuts are also packed with polyphenols. They provide a protective shield for your brain cells, defending them against the oxidative stress that causes aging and damage. Think of polyphenols as a high-tech security system for your mind. They intercept harmful molecules before they can cause any lasting damage to your delicate tissues. Regular consumption of green tea has been linked to better mood regulation and improved attention spans, helping you stay present and engaged in every moment. By nourishing your gut, you are indirectly nourishing your brain. A happy digestive system is the secret foundation of a clear and sharp thinking process. A small handful of almonds, or 2 cups of green tea a day, is all it takes to provide this essential protective shield for your intelligence. This ritual of tea and nuts is more than just a snack. It is a profound act of self-care that preserves your cognitive heritage for the future. Start your afternoon with a cup of green tea. It is a simple, elegant way to keep your brain protected, calm, and ready for anything. The final secret is perhaps the most critical: blood sugar control. Many scientists now refer to Alzheimer's as type 3 diabetes of the brain. Excess sugar in the blood acts like a slow-moving glue, coating your neurons and preventing them from receiving the vital oxygen and nutrients they need. Replacing refined white carbohydrates with complex fibers like lentils and beans is the best way to keep your brain's fuel supply steady and clean. Lentils provide a slow-release energy source. This prevents the sugar spikes that cause brain fog and long-term damage to your memory centers over time.
You don't need hours to cook them.
Modern methods make it easy to incorporate these brain beans into your daily meals without any added stress or hassle. When your blood sugar is stable, your brain's metabolism runs efficiently. This keeps your mind agile and prevents the stiffening of your cognitive abilities as you age. Every time you choose complex carbs over sugar, you are choosing to keep your mental pathways clear and your memory sharp for the long haul. Focus on the glycemic index. Low GI foods are your best friends in the fight against cognitive decline and the type 3 diabetes of the mind. Keep your blood sugar steady, and you will keep your mind ready. This final secret is the key to unlocking a lifetime of mental clarity.
Cognitive decline is not a life sentence. By making these 5 nutritional changes today, you are building a powerful fortress for your future self.
Remember, flavonoids for repair, omega-3s for insulation, choline for memory, polyphenols for the gut-brain axis, and stable sugar for clean energy every single day. You have the power to stay sharp, focused, and vibrant well into your 90s. It all begins with the very next meal you choose to eat. Thank you for joining me. I am your doctor, and I look forward to seeing you again on your journey to a healthier, sharper, and better life.
Stay curious, stay healthy, and most importantly, stay sharp. Your best years are still ahead of you. See you in the next video for more tips.